steak torta. It's got black beans on the bottom. The steak sauce is made with chipotle and tomato, so it's a little bit warm. And it's got cojita cheese and a little red onion, tomato, lettuce. Appetit, bon appetit. A little cojita cheese. Yep. Left side coffee, right side is tea, but don't ever take it out of there. Okay, coffee.
Two salads.
Yep.